Assalamualaikum to the lecturer and everyone. My name is Muhammad Nabi Awedihi.
Hi lecturer, my name is Chan Wei Xian from 21E.
So, hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aisyah Humayra binti Muhammad Arzali alias Kamaruddin from 21E.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alisha Maisara binti Azman from 21E.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aminuddin bin Muhammad Jailani from 21E. Today we will present about evaluating ethical issues in the use of human resource information system. So let's go for the first slide.
So now, let's look at the main ethical issue identified in this case. For the first one is privacy and surveillance. So the company uses biometric tracking and also monitoring system, which this way can make employees feel constantly watched. And also, this can reduce trust and affect employee comfort and also dignity. The second one is consent breach. Employee performance data has been shared with external parties without proper consent. This can raise concern about confidentiality and data protection. The third one is algorithmic bias. So, the automated hiring system may unfairly filter candidates based on unclear or biased criteria. This also can lead to discrimination and unfair requirement decision. So, for the last one is there is a transparency gap between the employee. So, employees are not fully informed about the HRIS evaluate their performance or uses their data. Lack of transparency can create confusion and dissatisfaction among the staff. So, to conclude this, although HRIS offers many benefits, organization also must ensure ethical practices to protect employees and maintain a positive workplace environment.
Okay, next, I will explain the psychological and cultural impact of using biometric system. First, psychological well-being. Constant biometric monitoring can make employees feel stressed and uncomfortable because they may feel like they are always being watched. This situation can reduce employee motivation and job satisfaction. Instead of focusing on doing quality work, employees may become more worried about avoiding mistakes. Second, is trust erosion and culture. If employee data is shared or misused, workers may lose trust in the company. Employees can also become worried about their privacy and personal information. In Malaysian workplace, cultural respect and harmony are very important. Therefore, excessive monitoring may create an unfriendly and less supportive working environment. In conclusion, while biometric system can improve productivity and internet tracking, company must also consider employee feeling, privacy, and workplace culture. Yeah.
Okay, for the next slide was explain about the risk faced by the company if the human resource information system is used unethically. For the first point is reputational damage. If employee data leaks or unfair AI system are exposed publicly, the company's reputation can be damaged. People may lose trust in the company, including customers and future employees. For example, if private employee information becomes public online, many people may criticize the company. For the second point is about increased turnover. So, when employees feel stressed or unhappy because of unfair monitoring, they may decide to resign. This increased employee turnover and the company needs to spend more money hiring and training new workers. For example, employees may leave because they feel uncomfortable working in a highly monitored environment. Lastly is about compliance and legal issues. The company may also face legal problems if employee data is shared without permission. In Malaysia, companies must follow the PDPA 2010 law to protect personal information. For example, if a company shares employee performance data without consent, it may face legal action or penalties. So, in conclusion, unethical human resource information system practices can harm the company's reputation, increase employees' turnover, and create legal problems.
Next, I will explain section 3.2, justification with fairness. Fairness in ethical practice is important to ensure equal treatment for employees and candidates. First, system transparency means employees should clearly understand how HRIS and employee data are used to avoid misunderstandings. Second, hiring equity means equipment system should avoid bias and technology should be combined with human review to provide equal opportunities. Lastly, accountability actions mean organization must monitor HRIS and ensure it follows ethical standards and employee privacy rules. In conclusion, transparency, fairness, and accountability help create a more ethical and trustworthy workplace.
Alright, so for this part, the company should also focus on strengthening ethical practice in high risk. So first, the company needs to provide specialized HR ethic trainings. HR staff should be trained regularly about ethical issues such as employee privacy, tracking limitation, and fairness in automated system. Next, the company should create a direct grievance portal. This allow employee to safely report issue like data issue or over surveillance without fear of retaliations. Besides that, the company should conduct period fairness audit. So for the example, the recruitment system should be reviewed every 6 months to check whether there is any bias in this hiring process against certain group of candidates. Lastly, the company must ensure full compliance with the Malaysian's PDPA 2010. This means all employee database, biometric system, and third-party data sharing processing must follow legal data protection requirements.